Hello everyone and welcome to Day Trader S&P 500. Today it's Thursday night, almost 11 p.m. Central on September 29th, 2022. A rare Thursday night video, and the reason is I'm having dental surgery tomorrow. I won't be able to talk for a while. So do something a little different. We used to do Tesla a lot. Some of you subscribers have been around for a while. Excuse me. And for what it's worth, here is our analysis here. But I want to show you guys what we have. One of our subscription services is video on demand. It's our least expensive at $55 a month, and I just updated the 4 stocks or indexes that we do every month at the end of the month: Tesla, Bitcoin, SMH, and XBI. We also have some educational and training videos in there with the video analysis of those 4 stocks, if you will. So that is the Tesla analysis. I'll leave that there, and if you guys want to watch the video, you can see it in the video on demand. I want to also look at the S&P on a weekly log scale from the 1982 low. Primary counts in red, alternate count is in blue. We have a 1 up to the 1987 high and the crash low for wave 2. We have a wave 3 up at 2000 high and a wave 4 down at the 2009 low. I used to think that was 2 separate corrections, but it looks just like, anyway, a 2. And then from there we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into the 2022 high for wave 5 up. Our primary count counts it as a 5. The alternate counts it as a 3. If we can get in here a little bit more a closer look, if you will, of that rise up, we have a 1 in a circle, a 2 in a circle, 3. There was the expanding triangle that we were the first to identify early on. I believe that was in April of that year, the 2018 high, which ended with the 2020 pandemic low. Higher highs, lower low, expanding triangle. Worked a 4. That's how we worked our way backwards from the 4. That made that a 2. And there is the 5. That's the primary count. These red numbers here are the Fibonacci retracements on a log scale. And the 382 is 2263. The 500 is 1792. And the 382 is 1106, which falls to the second wave over here, and this first one is 382, falls within the 4th wave. So obviously we're watching this decline from the all-time highs very intently to see if that's a 5 or a 3, and then how far this correction will take the markets down, which it is. Okay, we're thinking obviously that it's at least a correction from the 1982 lows. I want to get into the ES here. This again is the daily, pretty much a repeat, but we have 5 waves down for A. That's black in parentheses. 3 waves up for a B at the 8/16 August 16th high, which was within a day of our turn date. I think that was right on. I don't remember. Then we had a 1 down and a 2 up. That one, the September 13th turn, was within a day of the turn date. And here we are on wave C down from that 9/13 high. We have a 3rd wave. This is where 3 gains equality with 1, 37.30. And the 1.618 is down here at 31.59. You can see the other ones, the 272 and the 414 in between there. That is actually the 3rd wave. This is the C wave. Okay, my apologies. There's the targets for wave 3, and this 31.59 is the target for wave C, where it gains equality with A. Obviously, it can go lower than that, but we have to get there first to the first target. We can look at this from that B wave high. There we are right there, the 8/16 high. There's the B wave high. We've got I'm going to get into this a little bit differently here. We've got a 1 down, a 2 up, a 3 down, a 4 up, and a 5 for the larger wave 1 in parentheses. We're getting deeper into the wave count, and some people get confused or lost because we have 4 degrees of trend. So we're looking at waves at 4 different degrees. This is the first wave is the A down and the B up. The second degree, that was the first degree, the B. The next degree of 1 degree lower of trend is this 1 in parentheses and 2. Here are the 3 targets here. 37.31. I won't bore you with the 272 and the 414, but then the 1618 is 34.56. And those are here. There's the 34.56 right there. Okay, so we've got from the B wave high, we've got 1 in parentheses down, 2 in parentheses up. Now we're looking at 3 down, and within 3 down, that's why I'm dragging this out, we've got at least 2 more degrees of trend. Okay, but there's 2. There are the 3 targets, these lines that go further out to the left. Okay, and then from there we have a 1, 2. And those third wave targets are all the way over here. Okay, that 1 and 2, and here are the third wave targets, 37.33 and all the way down to 35.82. But again, this thing keeps breaking down in 5 waves to the downside, followed by 3 waves up. Repeat, rinse, repeat, rinse. Okay, you can see the little in black 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the larger wave 1. If I get that out of the way, there it is, red in parentheses. Then we have a 2 up. We're starting another. We got 5 waves down for a 1, and then 3 waves up for a 2. Another 5 waves down, if you can see it in black. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which makes the larger wave 3 in parentheses. And then we've got a 4, and here's where we are right here. Interesting point in time, because this 4 hit right on within a point and a quarter of the 382 retracement. We need to see this thing break below that low at 36.13 to let us know that 4 up is over and 5 down is in play. Okay, let me move that out of the way. Let me put this in here for you guys, okay, because this could be, because it hasn't broken that low yet, this could be an A up, a B down. I'll clean that up, and then we could get another C. Let me change that. Let me get in here and make that a different color. Let's make it purple. Okay, that way we can see. Maybe we can't see that too much different. There. Okay, so from that 36.13 low on the 28th, this could be an A up, a B down, and a C up and form a double top here, or even reach one of these higher Fibonacci retracement targets for wave 4, which would put 4 over here. Okay, but we need to break below that 36.13. Then wave 5 comes in, and there are the targets for 5. Again, let's back up. It's in red from this 915 high. 1 down in parentheses in red, 2 up in parentheses in red, 3 down in parentheses in red. That's the 928 low at 36.13, and 4 is in progress, or it's complete right there. We got to, again, 4s are long and sideways by nature, and they're complicated. This could still take on a triangle, a couple different triangle patterns, but we need to see a break below that 36.13 low, and then we could still get an expanding triangle with a higher high and a lower low. A up, B down, C up, and then D, and then E. So could play out a long time. I hate to get too complicated, but that's what 4s are. They're long, sideways, and complicated. We'll see what this one does, okay? And then once 4 is over, 5 down there, as long as that's the 4 top. If it goes higher, then these targets also change, okay? So that's what's going on with the ES. It's a very critical time, important time. This 4 could go long and sideways before the 5 comes, or could break below and just get to one of our targets there, which would put these larger degree of trend targets into play. Okay, hope it wasn't too confusing for you guys. As we get late into the patterns and we get 3 or 4 degrees of trend, there's a lot of different waves, W-A-V-E-S, to count, and that's where we are right now. Again, dental surgery tomorrow, so I'll get back to you guys as soon as I possibly can. Hopefully it's Sunday or Monday, but you never know with these things. Let's leave you guys with this right here. That's the bigger picture. All right, A down is complete. It's 5 waves. B up is complete. It's 3 waves. That's an A and a B and a C. And now we're going to get another 5 down. 1, 2, and 3 is in progress. we'll see where that goes. Okay, that's it for today, and until next time, take care, everyone.